Your over-the-range microwave oven has a few features that can help with your cooking process. They're labeled defrost, soften, and melt on your control panel. We will cover these features in this video to show you step-by-step instruction on how to use them properly when cooking your food. The defrost feature can thaw frozen meats, fish, poultry, and breads. It is the best method to thaw frozen foods, as this feature automatically sets the time according to the weight of the food being thawed. When using this feature, first remove the frozen food from its original packaging, such as this frozen steak, and place it on a shallow glass baking pan or microwave-safe dish. Place the cooking item into the center of your microwave for best results. Press the defrost button and select the food category by either toggling the defrost button or selecting the category number. The category numbers for each feature can be found on the label on the front of the microwave oven cavity, as shown here. Then enter the weight of the food in pounds by using the numeric keypad on the display panel. Most food items have their product weight on the packaging. For meat, poultry, and fish, the available weight range is 0.1 to 6 pounds. For bread, it is 0.1 to 1 pound. Once the correct weight is entered, close the door and press start. The display will then count down the defrost time. In the middle of the defrost cycle, the microwave will beep several times to notify you to flip over the food for a more even thaw. When this beep is heard, turn over the food and press start to resume defrosting. You can also select the defrost button twice and press start for quick defrost. The soften feature, as the name implies, helps to soften various food items such as butter, ice cream, cream cheese, or frozen juice for easy handling or preparation without completely melting them. To use this feature, put your soft food item in the center of the microwave oven in a microwave-safe dish and press the soften button and select the food category by entering the category number. Then enter in the menu number to select the appropriate amount of food. For butter, the display will show numeric options of 1, 2, or 3 sticks of butter. For ice cream, the display will show numeric options of 1, 2, or 3 for pint, quart, or half gallon respectively. For cream cheese, the display will show numeric options of 1 or 2 in the amount of 3 or 8 ounces. And for frozen juice, the display will show numeric options of 1, 2, or 3 in the amounts of 6, 12, or 16 ounces. Once the proper category and amounts are set, press the start button to begin softening. Another feature on your microwave oven is the melt feature. This feature will help melt your butter, chocolate, cheese, or marshmallows without scorching them. Select the proper category by pressing the melt button and entering the category number. The display will show numeric options requesting you to enter the proper category and the amounts of the food by using the numeric keypad on the display panel. Select 1 for butter, then select numeric options 1, 2, or 3 for the amounts of sticks of butter. Select 2 for chocolate. Then select numeric options 1 or 2 in the amounts of 4 or 8 ounces. Select 3 for cheese, then select numeric option 1 or 2 in the amount of 8 or 16 ounces. And finally select 4 for marshmallows. Then select numeric option 1 or 2 in the amount of 5 or 10 ounces. Once the proper amount is entered, press the start button to begin melting your food. During the middle of the cycle, take the food out of the microwave oven and give it a stir for a more even melt. Once stirred, place the item back into the microwave oven, close the door, and press start to resume. At the end of your cycle, take the food out of the microwave oven and give it another stir. Your food is now fully melted and ready to use. Caution: do not leave your LG over-the-range microwave oven unattended while in use. Try these features for yourself and witness how conveniently handy they are for everyday use. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.